I recently found a new AI tool that's going to change product marketing forever. This AI is so powerful that you will never need to hire a photographer, models, or editors for your product shoots. The name of this AI tool is SellerPic, so today I'm going to try this AI tool and give my honest review about it. Let's see how powerful and reliable this tool is. One of the reasons why this AI tool is a game changer for entrepreneurs and marketers is that it has been specifically designed for them. For example, if you are selling products like t-shirts, pants, or any clothing item, you will probably need to hire models, photographers, and editors to get product photos. Some of these business owners put their half of the money for this process, but with this AI tool, you will be able to save all that money because this tool can create ultra-realistic AI models for your clothing products. Not only that, if you are selling other products like shoes, watches, and any other item, this AI allows you to create all sorts of product videos. So, let's stop talking and put some ideas to the test. Okay, you can use the link in the description to sign up. This AI tool utilizes the best AI models available, including Nano Banana and VO3. Okay, first I'm going to try this virtual try-on accessories tool. I have some accessories I need to try. The first one is going to be this necklace, so I'm going to upload it to this. Now you can select the preferred size from this menu and also choose the skin tone of the model you will use. After that, click the generate button to generate your model. This process will take several seconds. This is amazing. The product is exactly as the image I uploaded. Now, another crazy thing that you can do is you can directly convert this image into a video with this image to video feature. Let's do that as well. If you click that, it's going to automatically upload the image you just generated, and here there are several templates that you can select from. Since this product is a necklace, I'm going to go with this video style, and let's generate the video as well. Okay, this looks amazing. It can be used on your website or in advertising videos. Now I want to try some earring products. Let's see if this tool can do that too. These are the earrings I'm going to try. When you are uploading an image, make sure it has a solid background without anything, because if it has other details such as these examples, your output will be affected by those details. So it's better to use images like these with a solid background. Okay, I'm going to select this model and let's see how these earrings would look on this model. Okay, this is perfect. Just like I did before, let's convert this into a video as well. Since these are earrings, we need to select a preset that shows them well. So this preset would be the best for these accessories. Okay, it looks amazing. This process is really simpler than I thought. As the third product, I used a male watch, and these are the new models I got. I think this one is going to fit for this product. So let's go with it. And this is the final result I got. This looks awesome. Now, another feature that you can do with this AI tool is that you can upload your models to this and edit them using Nano Banana. For example, I'm going to upload the image I previously created with a necklace to this. And let's ask this to add sunglasses. Just type what you want in the dialog box. Okay, this is the result I got. This is super realistic. Just like this, you can use Nano Banana to edit your images any way you want. As you can see here, I just changed this model's hairstyle to a completely new one, and it's perfect. The next coolest feature is the pose changer feature. Let's check it out as well. Here you need to upload an image of your model first. As the first example, I'm going to use this. Now, we have this girl wearing this amazing dress. If you want to post this on your website or advertisement, this one image is not enough. You need several poses to show the product from every angle. As you can see here, we have several pose presets on the right side. If you select any of these poses, you can easily convert your model and item to that specific pose. See, it's really simple. And not just one pose, all you need to do is select all the poses you want and click generate. This tool will make those in several seconds. Now I'm going to use this male model, and let's select several poses like these and see the results. Okay, I have selected 4 different styles, and make sure when choosing the pose, it should match the outfit and model. So here are the results I got. This is actually amazing. Honestly, I couldn't say that this is AI generated. It's so realistic. If we do this with an actual model and photographer, we need at least $1,000, and it's going to take several hours, but now it only took me several seconds. And let's say the pose you want is not on the presets. Don't worry, you can select this pose description option and just type what you want, and just make sure to include all the details in the prompt, and you can easily create the pose you want. And before going to the next feature, I would like to thank SellerPic AI for sponsoring this video. You can use the link in the description to sign up and you will get a 20% discount. Let's try another feature. This feature is called Virtual Try-On. With this, you can easily create models with your clothing products. Let me try this as well. Now with this, you can select either top, bottom, full body, or one-piece clothing. I have several examples to try, so let's first go with one piece of clothing. Let's upload the product image to this. And here you can either upload an image of your own model, or you can select a model from their library. So I'm gonna go with this model, and let's try this. Okay, it's gonna take several seconds to complete this task, and these are the results I got, and this is amazing. It's super realistic as well. Now I'm gonna try two clothing pieces. First, we need to select the full body option from here. Now I'm gonna upload this shirt as the top, and this denim as the bottom. Just like before, I'm gonna select a model from their library, and I think this one is suitable for this outfit. Let's go ahead and make the model image. See, it's amazing. Just for fun, I'm gonna convert this into a video. The process is the same as before. Okay, that's really nice. Now another cool feature this tool has is the Swap Fashion Model feature. With this, you can upload your existing image and change its person and background easily. For example, I'm going to use this image and let's change its person and background. When you upload your image to this, it's going to highlight the area that's not going to get edited with this purple color. And if you think it's not selected correctly, so what you need to do is click this edit button, and you will come to this editing dashboard. If you want to select a larger area, you need to go with this brush with a plus icon, and with this option, you can edit the size of the brush stroke. And I'm gonna select this sleeve part. And I just noticed that the shoes aren't selected either, so let's carefully select that as well. Once you're done with that, you can select a suitable model from this library to replace your image. For this example, I'm gonna select this, and let's see the result. Okay, the generation is completed, and it looks absolutely amazing. Now in order to change the background, you need to select this scene option, and there are several background options. And you can also upload your own background image if you have one. So this is the result I got, and this process is super easy. And with the AI image to video feature, you can convert your image into stunning ads. Let me show you. I'm gonna upload this image of this man wearing a watch. I created this earlier. Now here we can select any AI video model. We have Hilo, Kling, C-Dance, and VO3. For this example, let's go with VO3. I'm just gonna use this prompt I previously created for this video, and let's see the results.
Timeless elegance, crafted for precision. Every moment, a statement.
Okay, that's actually cool. I'm gonna try another one. This time, I'm gonna use this model who is holding a Coca-Cola bottle. Just like I did before, I'm gonna add an advertisement prompt to this, and let's generate a video. Okay, this is cool, just like this. You can create any type of images and videos for your e-commerce or any store without spending thousands of dollars. This tool has an editor as well. In this editor, you have features like background changer, background remover, image extender, and enhancer, even color changing features as well. So I'm gonna try this background remover feature first. Okay, click this option. It will take several seconds to finish the scanning process, and just like that, you can remove the background, and now let's replace it with a new version. You can select any preset from these images, or you can upload any background you prefer to this. It's so simple. Okay, these are the results I got. Another cool feature is that with this image enhancer tool, you can brush the area you want like this, and you can use this prompt box to explain what you want in that highlighted area. In this example, I just replaced this small boat with the cruise ship. Okay, so this AI is actually the best option for entrepreneurs who are doing e-commerce and product sales. At the end of this video, I will attach several example videos I generated with this AI. With that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this video was valuable for you guys. And let me know if you have any questions. I will see you guys in the next video.
Nether. The future in your hands.